guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. Like I promised in my last video that I'll be showing you how I use my smoked fish to make smoked fish stew. Yes, if you've not watched that video, I'll be linking it in the description box. Please, after this video, just check it out, okay, to see how I smoked my fish in the oven. So I'm going to be showing you how I make this smoked fish stew. It is so easy to make, it is so simple, and yet very delicious, you guys. It is so tasty. You are going to love it. And why I love this recipe is that you can use so many things to enjoy it with. Yeah, like I enjoyed mine with boiled sweet potatoes. It was absolutely delicious. I love it and I enjoyed it. The leftover, I boiled rice the next day to have it with. It was still so tasty as always. You can also have this with boiled Irish potatoes or fries, and again yams, boiled yams or fried yams. Yeah, it is still going to taste absolutely amazing, as well as pasta. Yes, you are also going to enjoy it with pasta, and it is still going to taste absolutely delicious. So without no further talking, let's just go ahead to the kitchen. But before that, you guys, if at the end of this video you liked it and you picked something from this video, please give me a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. And subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification to be getting the notification of my video being released to this channel. And share this video, okay? Please share it anywhere shareable with your loved one, colleagues, your social media platform. Please share, okay? You are free. You are free. Enough of talking, let's just go ahead and get started. I will see you guys again in my next video, okay? Bye.
So here are my ingredients. I have scotch bonnet pepper here, and I have bell peppers. I have the green and the red bell pepper. Here is some diced tomatoes, yes, and then here is some onions, one ball of the onion, seasoning cube, curry powder, thyme, and then here is my smoked fish. Like I said earlier, the video, if you not watched, is in the description. You can add paprika if you want, but I didn't add. I have some oil here. So heat up the pan. When the oil is hot, add in your onions. Can you hear the sizzle? I love onion seasoning. They fry it for a bit till translucent, although not completely. I will be adding the diced tomatoes. Yeah, just stir it a bit. Stir it and start frying, okay, till all the water evaporates, the oil starts separating, okay, then you know it is completely fried. Okay, so we'll keep on frying. Yeah, we keep on stirring it. Give it a quick stir again. The oil is moving. We're adding the scotch bonnet peppers. Stir it in and stirring it again. I'll be adding my thyme now, some curry powder is about a teaspoon, and then my seasoning cubes, 2 of them. I'll be adding it. Yeah, then give it a quick mix, incorporate everything, okay, mix it all together. So as you can see, the oil, the water evaporates. You can see the oil is already floating on the top. It's already fried. Yeah, the water is completely gone. I'll be adding my bell peppers, the red and green one. You guys, bell pepper, I love bell peppers so much, especially the crunchiness when not overcooked, and it's also packed with a lot of health benefits. Yeah, it has a lot of vitamins and minerals, and some of the vitamins it contains are vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant. Yeah, it also has potassium in it, folic acid, and fiber, which is very good for the health, as well as water. It contains a good amount of water, and then it's also low in calories. You see, That is why I love bell pepper a lot. Okay, so I'm just going to stir that very well, incorporating everything, and then I'll be adding in my fish. See, I didn't cook this bell pepper a lot because I don't want to overcook them. I still want to enjoy the crunchiness. I'll be adding in the fish. Okay, just adding your fish and then incorporate everything. Let the fish enter the sauce and the sauce into the fish as well. Just incorporate everything and adjust the taste. Okay, just stir it in, and then I'll be adding in a little salt. Yeah, just as per your taste, adjust the taste. Okay, and then I'll keep on stirring it in again, and then to incorporate everything and let the salt sit in properly. Okay, so it's done, you guys. As you can see, look at that gorgeousness. Just look at that, so beautiful, right? It is so tasty as well. So I'm just going to stir it again, and then we are going to serve this. Like I told you earlier, I'll be eating it, enjoying it with boiled sweet potatoes. Yeah, that is what I enjoyed mine with, and as well as rice. But as mentioned earlier, you can still choose whatever you want to enjoy yours with. Just look at that. Okay, if you do enjoy this video and if you do give this recipe a try, please come back and comment. Okay, bye bye.